That $100 in your pocket? In 2026, it's not just dinner and a movie money. It's your entry ticket into the world of wealth building. Gone are the days when you needed thousands to talk to a broker. Technology has erased the gatekeepers. Today, that single $100 bill is seed capital. This video is a complete step-by-step roadmap showing exactly how to turn that $100 into a real investment portfolio, and more importantly, into a habit that builds wealth over decades. Welcome to the $100 Wealth Manifesto. Before you hit buy, we need to make sure your foundation is solid. Investing is a marathon, and you don't want to run a marathon with a literal hole in your shoe. Kill high-interest debt. If you have credit card debt at 20% interest, paying it off is a guaranteed 20% return on your money. No stock market trend can beat that. The rainy day fund. Ensure you have at least a small cushion for emergencies. You don't want to be forced to sell your investments just because your car broke down. Once your account is funded, place your order. Since it's your first $100, a market order is fine. It just buys the asset at the current price. Pro tip: don't obsess over the daily charts. In 2026, the market still fluctuates. Your goal isn't to make $10 by tomorrow. It's to let compound interest work its magic. Once your account is funded, place your order. Since it's your first $100, a market order is fine. It just buys the asset at the current price. Pro tip: don't obsess over the daily charts. In 2026, the market still fluctuates. Your goal isn't to make $10 by tomorrow. It's to let compound interest work its magic. The secret sauce isn't the first $100. It's the next $100. If you can automate a set it and forget it contribution, even just $20 a week, the math starts to look very friendly. For example, if you invest that $100 and add just $50 a month with an average 7% annual return, A equals P times 1 plus R to the power of T, where A is the future value, P is principal, R is rate, and T is time. After 10 years, your discipline would turn those small contributions into roughly $8,600. In 2026, inflation has changed the way we look at small amounts. Most people look at $100 and see what it can buy today. An investor looks at $100 and sees what it can earn over 30 years. The consumer mindset. $100 equals a new video game. The investor mindset. $100 equals a stake in the 500 most profitable companies on earth. You cannot build a skyscraper on a swamp. If you invest $100 while owing $1,000 on a high-interest credit card, you are effectively losing money. In 2026, interest rates have stabilized, but credit card debt remains the wealth killer. If your card charges 22% interest and the stock market returns 10%, you are losing 12% every year you carry that balance. Rule number 1. If you have high interest debt, your investment is paying that off first. That is a guaranteed 22% return. You don't need $20,000 to start investing, but you do need staying power. If you invest your last $100 and your car tire pops tomorrow, you'll be forced to sell your investment, possibly at a loss, to pay for the repair. Step: set aside $500 to $1,000 in a high-yield savings account before you put your first dollar into the market. This is your sleep well at night fund. In 2026, investing isn't about being perfect. It's about being consistent, informed, and patient. You don't need to know everything. You don't need perfect timing. You just need to start and keep going. This is for the person who wants to get rich slowly and surely. Instead of picking one company, like Apple or Tesla, you buy an ETF, exchange traded fund. The S&P 500 ETF, ticker VOO, or SPY. This puts your $100 into the 500 largest companies in the US. If Apple goes down, but Microsoft goes up, you stay balanced. The Total World Stock ETF, ticker VT. This gives you a piece of every major company on the planet. This is the ultimate, I believe in humanity's progress bet. In 2026, certain sectors are moving faster than others. You might want to put your $100 into themes, AI and robotics, ETFs that hold companies building the next generation of LLMs and humanoid robots. Clean energy, focus on fusion, solar, and battery tech. Longevity, biotech companies working on life extension. $90 in an Iron Fortress ETF safe. $10 in moonshots. This could be a fractional share of a high-growth tech stock or a small amount of Bitcoin/Ethereum. Search the ticker. Type in the symbol, for example, VOO for Vanguard S&P 500. Select Buy. You'll see two main options, market order and limit order. Market order, buy this right now at whatever the price is. Best for beginners. Limit order, only buy this if the price drops to X. Avoid this for now. Enter the amount. Since you have $100 and one share of VOO might cost $500, you will type in $100. The app will give you 0.2 shares. Confirm. Review the trade and swipe up. Congratulations, you are now a shareholder. Let's look at the magic of compounding. In 2026, we use the standard formula for future value. A equals P times open parenthesis, 1 plus R over N close parenthesis, to the power of NT, where P equals your initial $100. R equals annual interest rate, let's say 8% or 0.08. T equals number of years. If you just put in 100 once and never touch it again for 40 years, it becomes 2,172. That's okay, but it won't change your life. But if you add just $100 every month for those 40 years at 8%, your total investment would be roughly $310,000. The seed isn't the first $100. It's the habit of the $100.
What's holding you back? Comment below. Fear of the market, no emergency fund, or not knowing what to do?